And the last one, which is very important to understand, is that after 8 questions, any questions that you don't solve will have a negative marking of -0.1. After 8 questions, every question that you don't attempt will have a negative mark of -0.1. And if you attempt and get it wrong, the negative marking is only -0.25. You attempt and get it right, your positive mark is +1. So when you are in a question which you are stuck between 2 options, in a CAT kind of exam, you might have taken an approach that I will not solve this. But in a XAT kind of exam, because the downside is very low and the upside is very high, specifically if you are in a question which there are 2 options, in between which you are quite sure one of them has to be the answer, you will always take the call. So you will be a little bit more trigger happy in the XAT because of this while solving than you were in the CAT, where you might have been conscious, or even other exams where there's no condition like this involved. So this changes a lot of strategies while solving, and you should know and adopt that while you're doing it.